And then
Okay.
you just roll over your shoulder. So kind of push yourself to the side. Yeah, push yourself to the side. So like this. When you push yourself up, think of going over one of your shoulders.
Oh, Ashley. Okay. Oh. Wow.
Yeah, you almost did it.
Closer.
And then you just get enough momentum, and then you end up kind of.
With the hands.
And then you can sit up from there.
Oh, careful! You.
And if you just get enough momentum, then it's like a smooth.
Oops. Yeah. Do the slide with the foot. With the